OpenArt versus Higgsfield. Which AI creative platform wins? Choosing the right AI creative platform can transform your digital art process without overwhelming complexity. OpenArt and Higgsfield offer unique tools for creators, each with distinct strengths and approaches. OpenArt and Higgsfield are AI platforms designed to assist digital creators, but their core difference lies in focus. OpenArt emphasizes broad accessibility and user-friendly interfaces, while Higgsfield targets advanced customization and experimental AI models for deeper creative control. OpenArt is an AI-powered creative platform that simplifies generating digital art through accessible tools and pre-trained models. It works by allowing users to input prompts or upload images, then applies AI algorithms to produce unique artworks. Its strengths include an intuitive interface suitable for beginners and a wide variety of styles and templates, making it easy to start creating immediately. OpenArt also supports community sharing, fostering inspiration and collaboration. However, it has limitations in customization depth. More advanced users might find the options somewhat constrained when seeking highly specialized outputs. Ideal users are hobbyists, marketers, and creators looking for quick, visually appealing results without needing deep technical knowledge. OpenArt's streamlined approach helps users focus on creativity rather than technical setup, making it a practical choice for those new to AI art or seeking fast project turnaround. Higgsfield is an AI creative platform that prioritizes experimental models and extensive customization for digital art generation. It operates by providing access to cutting-edge AI architectures, enabling users to fine-tune parameters and explore novel artistic expressions. Higgsfield's strengths lie in its flexibility and depth, appealing to users who want to push AI creativity beyond presets. It supports advanced workflows, including model training and integration with other AI tools, making it suitable for professionals and researchers. However, this complexity can be a limitation for casual users, as it requires a steeper learning curve and more technical understanding to fully leverage its capabilities. Higgsfield is ideal for artists, developers, and AI enthusiasts who demand granular control over their creative process and are comfortable with experimentation. Its powerful features unlock new possibilities but may require more time investment to master. Comparing OpenArt and Higgsfield highlights a trade-off between ease of use and creative control. OpenArt excels in quick, accessible art generation with minimal setup, perfect for users needing fast, attractive visuals without technical hurdles. In contrast, Higgsfield offers deep customization and experimental AI models, ideal for creators who want to innovate and tailor outputs extensively. For example, a marketer may prefer OpenArt for rapid content creation, while an AI researcher or digital artist might choose Higgsfield to explore unique styles or develop custom models. The choice depends on your goals, simplicity and speed versus flexibility and depth. Both platforms deliver quality AI-generated art but cater to different user needs and experience levels. Choose OpenArt if you want an easy, fast AI art platform with ready-to-use tools that require little technical expertise. Opt for Higgsfield if you seek advanced AI creativity with full control and are ready to invest time in learning. Both platforms excel, but your ideal pick depends on whether you prioritize simplicity or experimentation in AI art creation.